You know, there's a really good reason why there have been no major water transmission projects that have been built in the West over the last many years. It's virtually impossible to do. And yet we stand here today having accomplished the impossible.
The Southern Delivery System is not only an important investment for the community, it's an absolute necessity. Water is the lifeblood of any community. In order to ensure economic viability, economic prosperity, you've got to have water.
The major steps for the Southern Delivery System have been acquiring and developing water rights. We had a significant planning process involving our community. We established regional partnerships, and we had regional agreements to address issues. And then it started significant planning before we even got into construction. Those are the major elements of this project.
So it does take a long time for water projects. I've told folks, you know, from the time you start thinking about it till you put a pipe in the ground, it's probably 30 years. And it's something that is not an exact science. You have to kind of predict when you're going to need it, start doing the planning. And it's always better to be a little bit ahead of yourself than behind, because you always want to make sure you have the water when it's needed. And, you know, hopefully 50, 60 years from now, people will look back and say, you know, those guys on City Council and the Utility Board and that staff, they were thinking to make sure we had what we needed, because they're going to be starting their next water project well before this one reaches its capacity.